Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. The day is a very special day because it is 2 days away from my birthday. Woo! Last night was it was good. We had my parents over for dinner. I cooked ham and mashed potatoes, and my mom cooked green spaghetti, and then like she brought the desserts and stuff. I'm a YouTuber.
Pro cam.
Say happy Thanksgiving. I didn't really have much planned to do for today, but Michael's saying pack your bags, we're leaving. Which I think, I don't know. If we're going to the thrift store, that's good by me, babe. We can stick around.
Are you fucking talking to me?
No. I just don't want to leave the pets. Stewie don't want to be left. But yeah, we'll see where we're going. I guess I'm packing my bags and we're leaving today. Don't know where, don't know what we're doing. I just know we're going like on a road trip, Michael said. Alright, I got all the food stuff packed.
Thanks, babe.
For my surprise. My surprise. So, this is coming with us, and this is going to Michael's parents. And then, this is my luggage. Except Titi. Titi can't come. Sorry, girl, you gotta stay home. I hope I'm packing correctly. So we're driving on our way to where, babe? Well, we're going somewhere. Michael did give me the option to tell me what we're doing, but I don't really want to find out until we are closer. We'll see when we get there. I'm very excited. And I kind of been playing around with the like exposure and stuff on the camera, and this setting right here looks really good, but I feel like it looks really good because we're in the car. I don't know. I'm really excited. I might grab some food from what I packed because I'm really hungry, but we'll see. Can't wait till we get there, and I'm super excited. And then there's a cat. This is my surprise. We're at a farm, a sanctuary. So all of these animals are rescued.
Alright.
How did you find this place? Hey, you want to try another one? Oh, girl.
And this guy's sanctuary anyways. My son fell in love with him. This is Aunt Greta.
I like it, the names you picked for them.
Are you in a
I see you too. When they drop their feathers, you collect them?
Yeah, and a lot of times we'll stick them around the farm. And when the kids come, they find them.
Aww.
These guys are in cotton patch geese. And they're a critically endangered breed of goose. They're what the cotton farmers used to use back in the old days for weeding the cotton fields. So they actually eat weeds. Here is very food aggressive, so we aren't going to give these guys treats. He will fight these two, so we just have skipped giving these guys treats. This is Scarlet and Jewel.
Eggs.
Come on, Scarlet. Come on, Jewel. Lean down and you just kind of push it through, and they'll see it and they'll come up. Come on, Scarlet. Come on, girls. And they'll take it. They actually will take it right out of your hand too. They take it very gently. So these are raw eggs that they don't want to actually crack. That's why they're very good about it. Come on, Jewel. Come on, Jewel. Good girl.
Wow.
And then they are going to bury their eggs.
Oh, they
And
did?
then they actually won't eat them until later tonight.
Oh.
And so they'll get like a quarter of a chicken. And we give it to them right at dusk now. We used to give it to them earlier in the day and we let it sit out in the sun all day. And it got kind of nasty.
Yeah.
So now we do it right at dusk. And by morning it's gone. Take it right from your hand.
Hi,
He's a good boy.
Oscar.
Sylvester is his companion, and he probably is not going to come up for an egg. So what we'll do is, Oscar, once he buries that, we'll give him another egg, and I just joke around and say he'll take it for the team. And Sylvester later tonight will steal what he wants of the eggs.
Yeah.
So these 4 came from the pet trade. They were surrendered off of the pet trade. The 3 behind you, they are fur farm rescues. So they were supposed to be euthanized for their pelts. Those 3 and these 2 up over here. So those guys, I don't know if you guys have heard of the Save a Fox.
No.
Save a Fox went and they rescue fur farm foxes. It's a big fur farm rescue. They've got an office here in Florida, also in Minnesota. And about 2 years ago, they rescued 500 foxes and closed out a fur farm. And these guys, as well as those 2, are part of that Fur Farm 500.
Wow.
Yeah. And these guys have been with us maybe 3 months, and these guys have only been with us maybe about 6 weeks over there.
Wow.
Okay. He knows. He knows.
Very gentle.
Yeah, so they don't want to crack their eggs. So that's why we do everything with raw eggs.
Hi, Lacey.
Here you go, Reggie. You don't want that egg? Okay. Well, I guess Mom's getting 3 eggs today.
Oh.
Hurry up, man.
You're so pretty. You're very beautiful. Beautiful girl.
Look, you could pet her.
Oh, you're so pretty. Why would they want to hunt you? What is the reason? You're just a beautiful girl. Yeah, you get another apple for being so beautiful. You get another carrot. You get another apple. Bob, come here, Bob. Come on, Bob. You're so pretty. Yeah, you're so sweet. How come you're so sweet? Hmm? Here. This is so much fun.
Meh.
Oh, that's where they sleep.
Yeah.
Hey guys. What's up, girl? That's for you. You don't like that? You like this?
Yep. Look, she has wool.
Yeah.
Apple. Oh. One for you. Oh no.
All right.
The deer wants more.
There's no more. Sorry. Okay. Let's pee.
Wow, he was peeing.
Oh wow, you hear those cows? Hey girl.
Hey.
She's a big old gal. She can't reach that.
No French fry.
You think it'll be bad if we give her ham? Leftover ham? Oh, aren't you so beautiful? Hi. Guys, I love this place. I wish we could stay here forever. Look at this. We're in the little Airbnb tour. First you come in and you see this beautiful red door. It has all these beautiful stuff with all these beautiful books. Have the view of the farm animals. A beautiful painting of ducks by a pond. Wow, this is bigger than our bed.
It is.
Nice. So we got back from Walmart and we went to go eat at this pizza place called ABC
Pizzeria.
Pizza House, no?
Pizza House, yeah.
It was really good. I had a gyro. Michael had pizza and some wings. And now we're enjoying a little fire. Something light to end off the night.
Yeah.
It's a really good birthday weekend.
Sit down.
Good morning. We're going to feed the pig. Here you go. I got your little pig. Oh, you dropped it.
She don't like it.
Yeah, I like it. Oh boy. I think she really liked it.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah. You want to go feed the pig now?
Yeah, let's go feed the pig.
This is the ultimate supreme. Miss Girl. I forgot her Twinkie. You're gonna have to go back. Hey, how are you? You're so beautiful and you smell like maple syrup. Yeah. You want a little pear? How about we cut her a slice?
Yeah. Cut her up a slice. Here, put it out there so that way.
Should I just give her the whole thing?
Yeah.
That's delicious. Alright, let's get a load of these apples. We're gonna eat spaghetti first.
Yeah. That you have to dump it. She don't have a little. She likes that? She likes that?
This is green spaghetti. You think she's ever had it before?
Fuck no.
Big scoop. Open wide.
She got all spaghetti sauce on her.
Alright, next on the menu. You better remember us for the rest of your life.
Look, now she has her eyes open.
You like that? Take a look in here.
Oh my, what is this? We can't tell her.
No, we're not giving her that. That's so rude.
No, she could have it.
It's literally her ancestors. A little mashed potato? Alright, big scoop.
Oh my.
And you want little asparagus?
Ooh, cherry. Oh yeah. Go pet me.
Hey girl. Take a picture of me with it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Say cheese. This is for your solo portrait shot, boy.
The other one just stays eating. Okay. Look, still waiting for more.
Right? This has been so fun. And we have to leave.
We literally just got here.
Yeah, we literally just got here. But we made some new friends along the way. We're here at, what is this? Three Sons Farm?
Yeah.
Three Sun Farm. And they have a flower picking field. Oh. And we're gonna pick our first flowers. I want to get a lot.
Ooh, look at that one.
That one?
You like that one?
Yeah, I like that one.
That one's a nice one.
Do I cut it all the way at the bottom?
Yeah.
My first flower.
Right?
This is so much fun. I've always wanted a wild bouquet, like of flowers. This is my first time. Aww. That one's pretty.
This one?
That one? That one's beautiful. What do you think of that one?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay, I don't blame you. No!
What? You gotta be careful. Yeah.
Aw. Okay, we can take it.
You said that's mine.
I think it was better you leading.
Beep stung me.
Yeah, okay.
Actually.
Actually?
Look.
You did!
It hurt. Feel good though. Poor bee though, he's gonna die.
Oh. I don't think people walk through here.
Yeah, I don't even think so.
We still got long ways to go. That was our trip to the Sunken Gardens. Very beautiful. Recommend. They're setting up for a wedding. Let me find out, babe. You about to propose and we're gonna have our wedding right here, right now.
Oh my.
They have a pink Christmas tree right in the center. Very cute. Alright, I think we're gonna go back home now. That was really nice. I really enjoyed this trip, even if it was short. Spent
Where's number 1?
Happy birthday to me! It's officially my birthday. This weekend was really good. This week was really good. I'm very grateful for having experienced a little getaway trip, and I wanted to show you guys my flowers from yesterday. We took about 4 hours to get home after we picked them, so they were pretty dead when I was putting them in the vase, and I was so bummed because I was like, no, they're not gonna come back to life. I was wrong. They look more beautiful than ever. These are my favorite right here. I think these are snapdragons. I might be wrong. Then all the little zinnias. And my sunflower. But yeah, guys, I'm a little older. I am very excited to edit this video because it went completely a different way. I didn't think I was going to be able to get away, a little away trip. That was very, very nice of my boyfriend to do. But yeah. I'm very blessed.